of them, and this fighter Dong knows his boxing. He says he's very quick, got fast hands, and he's a very promising youngster. Let's see what he does.
Si Magsayo po wearing the black trunks. Samantalang nakapula naman itong si Milton Sandal from Zamboanga del Norte. At tama ka, Ronnie, medyo kahit pa paano mataas ang expectations dito kay Magsayo. Good combination.
Oh, ganda. Ganda. Sandali. Si Sandali lang po.
Oo, napasandal agad sa lubid.
Wala na.
And I don't think he's gonna get up.
He beats the count.
Beats the count si Sandal, and he's in big trouble.
Yung mga left hook, mabilis ang kamay na ito.
Hindi mo iisipin na bagitong boksingero itong si Magsayo.
Dobro. Referee didn't see.
Starting out like a house on fire, scoring a knockdown with a big right hand. That's Giselle Magsayo from Tagbilaran City.
Sandal fighting back, trying to fight back. Alam mo na yung problema niya.
Masyadong telegraph yung mga suntok ni Sandal.
Niya.
Maluwag. At mabilis naman ang counter nitong si Magsayo.
Alam mo na si Magsayo was member of the national pool, but he wanted to turn pro. So he quit the national pool and turned pro. He's got fast hands, moves well, and he's got power. Oh, another good left hook. And Sandal is grabbing. May problema talaga ito, si Sandal. Kasi suntok si Magsayo. Of course, alam mo na yung when you make your debut, you're a little excited, di ba? Carried away, so you know, sometimes you throw punches, tend to miss.
At yun nga nakakatakot kapag newcomer ka, first round, medyo may gigil. You have to learn how to pace yourself. Sapagkat, katulad dito, 4 na rounds po ito.
Maganda.
Cracking right hand from Magsayo.
He hit him with the left uppercut and a right hand. I'm looking at Edito Alabinemo. He's smiling. He doesn't think this guy's going to get up. No, he gives up. He gives up.
Speed and power.
Oh, what an impressive debut for Giselle